This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Independent MLA and Awami Ittehad Party Chief Engineer Rashid on Wednesday staged a protest against the proposed implementation of GST in Jammu and Kashmir. Rashid said that the next law would end the fiscal autonomy of the state. He was joined by scores of his supporters who were shouting slogans against the GST. Later, police detained dozens of Rashid's supporters.
जो जीएसटी गैर कानूनी तरीके से लागू किया जा रहा है, हमारी इकॉनमी को खत्म किया जा रहा है। हम महबूबा मुफ्ती को कहना चाहते हैं, महबूबा तेरे हाथों में वो लकीर नहीं है, कश्मीर तेरे बाप की जागीर नहीं है। हम कहना चाहते हैं कि यह एक डिस्प्यूटेड इलाका है और ऐसी हर कोशिश जो जम्मू कश्मीर की मुतनाज़ा हिस्सत को मुतासर करे, हमें किसी की पर मंजूर नहीं।
Pertinently, a special session of Legislative Assembly is going on since yesterday to debate the implementation of GST bill. Noisy scenes were witnessed yesterday as the House debated the bill. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar. This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 01942468500 2468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.